What if momentum was not discovered? What if bacterial growth was not known? What if the size of watermelons cannot be calculated? Calculus has furthered humankind into a better future, from newer technologies to safer societies. This one man started all, initiating the studies towards the skies and beyond. Creating the present day. Descartes, Cogito, Ergo sum. I think, therefore I am. Descartes, one of the men that created calculus, was born on March 31st, 1596, in Descartes of France. And from the looks of it, people could tell he was not just an ordinary boy. Descartes eventually went to study at the University of Poitiers, where he attained a bachelorette in law. However, after his graduation, he soon began to travel seeking knowledge, which eventually led him to study mathematics at the Leiden University. For calculus achievements, Descartes invented the analytic geometry, also known as the Cartesian geometry. This is the study in which combines algebra with geometry. Descartes studied deeply into infinitesimal calculus, which is the study of finding slopes of curves, areas under curves, and min and max problems. Using this knowledge, he tried to solve the tangent line problem, where you have to construct a tangent line to a curve. Descartes' work on calculus became the basis for Newton's and Leibniz's work. For mathematical achievements, Descartes initiated the use of subscripts, such as the power or exponents. A method of his, called Descartes' rule of signs, can be used to determine the number of roots in a polynomial. For example, for x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 4 plus 3x to the power of 3 plus 9x to the power of 2 minus x plus 5. When we look at the positive case, there are 4 sign changes. From this method, we can deduce there is a maximum of 4 positive roots. However, some roots may also be generated from the quadratic formula, and thus, the method states that we must count down by 2's, which means for our case, there could be 4, 2, or 0 positive roots. If we look in the negative case, we can deduce that there is 1 sign change, meaning there is 1 negative root. If we count down by 2's, it will become a negative number, so we neglect this step. From this method, we found out that there are 4, 2, or 0 positive roots and 1 negative root. Descartes also spent time studying optics, a branch of physics involving light. Descartes also developed the law of momentum conservation, part of another branch of physics. Descartes was also a philosopher, and he was considered the first to combine philosophy with sciences. Descartes eventually died on February 11th, 1650, in Stockholm, Sweden, due to pneumonia. In his 53 years of life, Descartes reformed the world with his dreams. He thought, so therefore, he still exists through the gift he gave to us.